91 bathroom TV.
TechNow.
TechNow.
Hey guys, so it's Kevin here again, and today we are unboxing the Motorola, the Moto, or the Lenovo Moto, whatever you want to call it, the Moto X4, and this is the latest handset, or the latest X handset by Motorola, now still owned by Lenovo. And I actually had the third generation Moto X that came out in 2015, and now this is the upgraded model. This is the 2017 Moto X4. So let's go ahead and unbox it, guys. So it looks like we have some tape right here. I'm pretty excited because they made, I would say, a bunch of changes to this one. Not necessarily all good changes, such as the new all glass back design and losing some of the features that kind of made it Motorola. That is kind of a loss, but you know, let bygones be bygones. That's what happens in life sometimes. So this is the one right here, and then we have the tape on the side. I was thinking that was like the actual tape on the plastic, but this is just the tape on the box here. I don't have my trusty knife, so I'm just using my fingernail here. Not the best unboxing experience, I can tell you that. So I'll take off there. Okay. And then looks like it's it, and that's the Lenovo logo because it is now owned by Lenovo. And that is the, I think there's more tape. I feel more tape. Okay, no, I was wrong. Okay, okay. So this is a nice, just little, I would say, medium-sized handset. It's got the 12 megapixel plus an 8 megapixel dual rear cameras on the back, and that's for the feature that, you know, most of the phones have right now, and that's gonna be for the, sorry, I can say like portrait mode on the iPhone, for example, the blur out background, the depth of field that it gives you. 12 megapixel selfie camera, so it better give some really good images in Snapchat. Water resistancy, the Qualcomm Snapdragon, it's the 600 series processor, the 3000 milliamp hour battery plus the turbo power, so it can charge very quickly, and the Moto X experiences such as the Moto Voice and the Moto Actions and all that sort of stuff. So like the chop for the flashlight and all that sort of stuff. So front-facing flashlight I like as well. No both stereo speakers. That was on the Moto X 2015. You see there's a fingerprint sensor though. First one on the X family, and then the black, the all glass back. It's a little bit slippery, but it's very light. It's very nice handset as well. Very cool. The dual cameras and the flash as well. The flash. It is a USB Type-C, so still supporting the future technology here. And then that's gonna be on, oh, I forgot, the power button, which is a little bit grilled, so you can easily get to it, and then the volume up and down as well. So guys, this is just basically an unboxing of the phone, and we'll let you get through more of it later as well.